Hello beautiful people, welcome to another mind-blowing recipe. On today's video I want to show you how you can make a simple yet yummy tofu from the comfort of your home. This recipe is so simple and mind-blowing. If you have any question regarding this video, you can do what to ask me in the comment section, guys, and I'll be more than excited to answer. One very important thing I would like you to know is that you have to soak your beans a day before you use it. Then what I'm going to do is to go ahead and wash the beans. You must not remove the shell of the beans. I took it to a commercial grinding place and I'm going to be adding water so that it will be easy for me to sieve out the juice from the blended beans. The next thing you'll do is to get a cloth that you know will be able to sieve out the juice for you easily. This first time that I saw my auntie making tofu, I was actually thinking we were going to use the chaff to make the tofu because, guys, it looks more realistic, right? I was asking myself, how can something solid come out of the juice? I was like, no, we are definitely going to be using the chaff. But instead of using the chaff, my aunt used the liquid. I was watching Kinley to see how she's going to make the magic happen. Back to our tofu now. What you're going to do next is just to put this on fire and allow it to boil. But your eyes must be on this tofu. What I am doing now is juicing out my lime. In case you do not have lime, you can as well use vinegar. When the tofu starts boiling, you now pour in the lime at intervals. I am so sorry, guys. I didn't know that the phone was not recording at the point of pouring this lime. Then I'm still going to be putting the cloth, and I will sieve out the water. You can see how the tofu has separated from the water, like literally the juice has become white. The part that we are using is separate. You are not going to use a very heavy thing, to press down the water from the tofu. And guys, it is time for us to cut our tofu and fry our tofu. We'll now add all the vegetables you want to. We added our purple cabbage, but you can fry before doing that, because this is what I am doing right now. I am frying the tofu, before I'll still do like a vegetable stir fry with it. I don't know, but whatever you want to do. What we did was just to add our cabbage, the peppers, and some spices, of course, to spice up and take the game on another level. So at this point, my tofu has turned golden brown, and I am going to be packing it. I didn't want to over fry this tofu. You can as well make it as dark as you want. I do not want my own to be as dark as anything, okay? So I'm going to be packing it right now. Then we are going to stir fry it with our cabbage and the remaining vegetables. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Do not forget, like the video, subscribe to my channel if you have not done so, because on this channel you are going to be getting amazing recipes that is going to help you improve your health, improve your eating habits, and also help your mental health, because oh my god, we enjoy on this channel. We know how to smile, we know how to laugh, we know how to stay positive. I love you. Do have a blessed and a beautiful day. Stay positive, be positive. Bye, guys.